Ableton Live 11 comes with this wonderful help view that you can navigate over on the right-hand side. It has all kinds of lessons that are built in, and these are really cool because you can look at the lesson while you're actually working in Ableton Live. You don't have to watch a separate YouTube video or use a separate monitor. So what I'd like you to do is go through the recording audio lesson first. Open this up and then follow the directions. You'll be able to follow this along very, very clearly. The first thing it asks you to do is load a live set. So you're going to click here and look what happens. It just loads up this set. Now what this has done is taken you away from the session view thing that we just had a moment ago to go into arrangement view, and you can toggle back and forth with these controls. So it's also added a single audio track and gotten rid of the other two MIDI tracks. So it brings you to info view too, and I have a separate video on how this works. This is a great little feature in Live that's down here on the lower left-hand corner. If you want to open it and close it to create more space in your display, you can do so with the little triangle. So I'm going to ask you to turn off the video and go ahead and run through these 14 pages of stuff here in Ableton Live. You are going to need a microphone to plug into your audio interface so that you can record something and start to play with the audio. You don't have to record yourself singing or anything. I suggest counting to 5 and recording that. And when you get done, then we can start to play with your audio a little bit.